Exploring the depths. River flows beneath. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a poetic and visually evocative phrase, river flows beneath. This phrase isn't just about rivers and landscapes. It's a journey into metaphor, meaning, and the magic of language. Let's unravel the layers together and discover how this phrase can enrich your English understanding and expression. When we break down the phrase, river flows beneath, we're looking at a simple yet profound statement about nature. A river, a body of water that moves continuously in a specific direction, is said to flow beneath something. This could be beneath a bridge, beneath the earth in a subterranean passage, or any scenario where the river's course is not immediately visible on the surface. This straightforward interpretation opens the door to deeper meanings and uses in language. English, rich in metaphors and imagery, often uses natural elements like rivers to convey emotions, life's journey, or the passage of time. When we say, river flows beneath, metaphorically, it can symbolize the undercurrents in life or situations, those forces or feelings that move and shape us, yet remain out of sight. It speaks to the idea that much of what influences us is not always visible on the surface. This phrase is poetic, lending itself beautifully to poetry, literature, and song lyrics. It can set a scene, create mood, or convey deep philosophical ideas about existence, hidden truths, or the flow of time. Writers and poets might use river flows beneath to hint at hidden depths, secrets, or the underlying complexity of a character, situation, or the natural world. While river flows beneath might not be a phrase you use in casual conversation, understanding its implications enriches your comprehension and allows you to appreciate English literature and poetry more deeply. It can also inspire you to use similar metaphoric expressions in your own speech or writing, making your communication more vivid and impactful. River flows beneath is more than a description of a natural phenomenon. It's a doorway into the poetic potential of the English language. We hope this exploration has not only illuminated the meaning behind the phrase but also inspired you to see the beauty and depth in everyday language. Remember, every word and phrase is an opportunity to express and connect more deeply. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.